Hi students, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about the computer network fourth assignment. I think you can see in the screen, fourth assignment is configure the IP address of the computer. Let us see how to execute in the lab assessment. So before going to lab assessment, let us see what are the steps we need to follow here. Open the control panel, go to the network connection, okay, and change the adapter setting on the left. Let us see one by one, okay. So first he's saying that open the control panel. Here I'm typing the control panel here. Control panel, okay. Just open this. Again he's saying that go to the network connection, okay. Go to the network connection. Here is a network. Let us click on this. So again we have opened this one. Okay. So what he's saying again here? He's saying that network and internet we have opened here. The network and internet. Network and sharing center. Where I think you can see in the screen network and sharing center. Can you see here? Network and sharing network and sharing center. Click on this. So we got this screen over here. Okay. Let us see here. Step of find the IP address is what exactly is saying. Is saying that change the adapter setting on the left. What are the adapter we have? Generally, I have connected with the Wi-Fi. So it's showing the FTTH BSNL. Okay. So it is connected with the Wi-Fi FTTH BSNL. We have connected to this setting. So is saying that change the adapter setting. Here is the change the adapter setting. Let's click on this. Okay. So here is the Wi-Fi adapter FTTH and BSNL, and here is the Ethernet connection. You can see here. Generally, I have connected here. I won't go for Ethernet here because already it is connected with the internet. So if I do that one, it will be disabled Wi-Fi here. So before that, right click on this Ethernet here. Here you can see disable and as well as the status and diagnosis. Clear? Let us see here what are the next step here. We have two options. Okay, we have two adapters. I think you can see here we have two adapters. One is the Ethernet, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi. These are the two. This one and this one we have adapters. Either you can use this one, either you can use this one. But I have connected with the Wi-Fi, so I am using this one. Okay. Find the IP address. Right click on the Ethernet icon and go to the status. Generally, here status is it has been hidden. Okay, because it is not activated. Okay, let us see in this. Here is the status which I have connected with this one. Let us click on this. Let us see what are the IP address are for this Wi-Fi over here. Here is the status. When I click on the status, here is the details. Let us see details. These are the details of my network connection. You can see here IPv6 address and IPv subnet mask address. So these are the IP address where we can able to connect it over here. Okay. So close this one. Next. So as you can see, the same screen has been, you can see in the, I have now shown the same screen here. Next, here, step 4 we have here, set the IP address and right click on the local area connection and properties. Let us see this one. Okay. Click on the properties. Where it is the properties, here is the properties. Just right click on this one, click on the properties. Here is a Wi-Fi property. Here, if you're using the BSL broadband connections or Ethernet, just click on the here. Okay. But I am using Wi-Fi, so I am using as Wi-Fi over. So it's saying that local area connections you are connected here. Here I need to use Internet Protocol version 4 TCP and IPv4. This one we need to check this one. Okay. He's saying here Internet Protocol version 4 TCP and IPv4 and select use the following IP address. This is the way of, and type the IP address subnet and default gateway and click OK. here whenever I click on this one, okay, select using the following IP address, click on this, click on this, click the property button, okay. As you see in the same screen, you have two options. Either you can obtain the IP address by automatically, or you can enter the manually. If you don't know the, if you know the IP address, you can enter the manually by taking the system's IP address and subnet mask and default gateway. If you have noted these three things, just click on this using the following IP address, just enter the IP address over here, okay, and then click on the OK button. But generally, already have automatically we have here, so I'm using this one. If you don't have, you should go for this one. What we have to enter here is saying that 192.168.00, and so same thing, 192.168.0.10, 255.255.255.0, and 192.168.0.254. This is the using the following IP address we need to enter. Okay, after doing this, just click on the OK button. If you need to set a static DNS, and here is the thing. Server, select using the DNS server address. If input the address and this convert, by default the computer obtain the automatically address over here. Okay, so after using either automatically or obtaining the IP address, okay, just click on the OK button. So that is what exactly we are doing, the manually setting the IP address. Before that, let me clear that what exactly we need to do here. Here question is that how to configure the IP address of the system. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ IP ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ IP ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, as I told in this procedure is just go to the control panel, go to the change the adapter, check out the what are the adapter you have in the system. Clear? If you have this, generally ಈ ಇಥರ್ನೆಟ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ, ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಐದರ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್. If you connected with the mobile device ಅಥವಾ ಬೇರೆ ಬ್ಲೂಟೂತ್ ಇಂದ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ these are the additionals we can see. Generally I am using as a Wi-Fi over here, so it's showing Wi-Fi. But if you connected with the broadband connection, landline connection, then you should show Ethernet. Okay, so if you are using Ethernet, just click on the right click on and click on the status. Okay, but here I am not using the Ethernet, so it has been hidden over here. But when I click on the Wi-Fi, it shows a status. So go to the click on the status here and check the details of my system IP address. Note down this IP address, okay, and subnet entire default web address entirely. You note down this one. After note down this, after checking this one, close this one and right click on this. Again go to the properties. Here what we have to do here, IP address na configuration ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಒಂದು ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಐ ನೋ ಸಮ್ IP address and gateway path ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೆಟಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸರ್, ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪಾತ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಯಾವ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಅದ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ನ ಅದು TCP IPv4 ಇದೆನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಯಾವ್ದಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇಂಟರ್ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಟೋಕಾಲ್ ವರ್ಷನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. ತೋರಿಸಿ as I told you that obtain an IP address automatically, either you can this one ಅಥವಾ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ IP address, ಅದನ್ನಾದ್ರೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ IP address ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ನೆಟ್ ಮಾಸ್ಕ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಡಿಫಾಲ್ಟ್ ಗೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಈ ತರ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದಿಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಓಕೆ ಬಟನ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗೂ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, ಒಂದು IP ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ನ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಟಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಓಕೆ, ಡೆಸ್ಕ್ಟಾಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ರೂ ಹೇಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಗರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕಲಿತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ನಿಮ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಂದಾನೆ ನಾನು ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಬೇಡ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೀವು ಕಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದಾನೆ ಫರ್ದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ನಮಗೂ ಒಂದು ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೋರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಕೂಡ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಒನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.